Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Zoho CRM. First, let us know the use case. So the use case here is that whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to add them as contacts in Zoho CRM. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store. Whereas Zoho CRM, as the name suggests, it is a CRM software. The issue here is that WooCommerce and Zoho CRM don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which we can transfer data from WooCommerce to Zoho CRM. So the best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign in to our account, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. So let us name this workflow as WooCommerce integration. Okay, so now I'm going to create it. Okay, so here in this workflow, first I'm going to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. So I am going to choose WooCommerce over here. Okay. So now in choose method, according to our workflow, we want to create a new customer in WooCommerce. So new customer created will be our trigger method over here, this one. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? So let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, we want to create a new customer in WooCommerce. So new customer created in WooCommerce will be our trigger method over here. So now when you click on choose method, you can see we have various other trigger methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. Okay. So now when you scroll down here, you can see a term called Webhook URL. So now after choosing the app and choosing the method, what we do is we copy this Webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce here. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this Webhook URL? What do we use it for? So let me tell you that Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So Webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So you can read the instructions carefully written over here and follow them. So I'll copy the Webhook URL from here and I'll go to my WooCommerce account. So I've already opened my WooCommerce account. This is the home page. And here in the corner, you can see settings tab. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now here you can see advanced written over here. So I'll click on it. Okay, so now here we are going to create webhooks. That is why I'll click on this. And now let us add webhook. So I'll click on it. Okay, so now here you have to enter these details over here. First is name. So name is going to be WooCommerce integration. Okay, status you have to keep it as active. Topic will be customer created. This one, delivery URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you have got from your Pabbly Connect. So I'll just paste it over here. Okay, so now let's go down and I'm going to click on save webhook. I'll just save it again. Okay, so now let's go to Pabbly Connect And now we are going to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new customer in WooCommerce. So I've already opened this page over here. So we are going to register a new customer. Okay, so the username is going to be Sophia. Email is sophia@pabbly.com. First name Sophia. Last name Matthew. Okay, so I'll register this customer. Okay, so you can see registration is complete. That means we have successfully registered Sophia Matthew as a customer in WooCommerce. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have got our webhook response, sophia@pabbly.com. First name is Sophia, last name is Matthew. Okay, now I'll just save this. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now let's begin with our second step integration. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here and I am going to choose Zoho CRM, this one. Okay, so now according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to create a contact in Zoho CRM. So create a contact will be our action method over here. Now you can see we have other action method available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action method. So I will click on create contact. Okay, so now I'm going to click on connect with Zoho CRM. Okay, so now in create new or select existing credentials, if you have any existing credential like this, you can directly click on it and then you can authenticate. But here I am going to click on new credentials and now I'm going to click on connect with Zoho CRM. Okay, so here it is asking us for the domain name. If you go to Zoho CRM account, so you can see zoho.com is my domain. That is why I am going to select zoho.com over here. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. Okay, done. Okay, so now I'm going to accept this. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now we have some empty fields over here and we are going to fill the information from the webhook response that we have got over here. So I'll just map the information. So lead source. So WooCommerce is an online store. That is why here I'll click on online store. First name, I'll just map the first name, Sophia. Last name is Matthew. Email is sophia@pabbly.com. These details, if you want, you can just fill it or leave it. I'll just go down and I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Zoho CRM successfully. So I'll just save it. Okay, so now let's go to Zoho CRM and see if a new contact is created there or not. So I'll go to Zoho CRM and here I'm going to click on contacts. Okay, so you can see Sophia Matthew is over here with the email sophia@pabbly.com. So we have successfully finished our integration. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I will go and register a new customer in my registration page. Okay, so the username is 𝗪𝗆𝗆𝗶𝗆. Email is 𝗪𝗆𝗆𝗶𝗆@pabbly.com. First name is Joel. Last name is Stevenson. I'll just register. Okay, so you can see registration is complete. That means we have successfully registered a customer in WooCommerce. Now I'll go to my Zoho CRM. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh this. So you can see Joel Stevenson is here with the email joel00@pabbly.com. So here we have successfully finished our integration. Now I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize all of this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Zoho CRM. So now every time a new customer is created in WooCommerce, a contact will be created in Zoho CRM automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of WooCommerce and Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.